Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating prerequisites: headset firmware, matching account, and the target Elixir app installed. Put on the Quest 3 and open settings. Make sure you update firmware if a newer build exists. Next, enable experimental features and toggle hand tracking on. You do this now so the device exposes hand data to apps. Once enabled, restart the headset to activate the change. Make sure your Elixir environment or companion app is ready to accept hand input after the reboot. Once done with headset setup, connect Quest 3 to your PC or run natively. Choose Oculus Link or AirLink if Elixir runs on desktop. In your Elixir project, ensure you have the proper SDK or OpenXR bindings installed and configured to read hand pose and gesture events. Next, grant runtime permissions inside the app for hand tracking and pass-through, if required. Then test a simple hand pose event in development mode to confirm data flows from Quest to your Elixir runtime, but finalize by calibrating hand tracking. Position yourself in good light and face the headset cameras so both hands are visible. Run gesture tests like pinch, grab, and point, and map those inputs to Elixir handlers for interaction. Build small debug logs that print joint positions so you can verify live data. If tracking fails, try toggling hand tracking off and on, reboot the headset, or reduce glare. Make sure no controller bindings block hand input. One key tip: rebooting often clears stale permission or sensor states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.